I'm looking forward to November, when I'll come here for one more time. I guess I gladly will remember that marvelous summertime. Again I'll smell the fragrance of the meadows, the cherry trees, the lake, the summer wine. Those memories and a colder wind that then blows sure will send shivers down my spine. I wonder how I'll spend my times of leisure when it's fall or even winter all around. I guess I shall remember all the pleasures that in the summertime I have found. Again I'll smell the fragrance of the meadows, the cherry trees, the lake, the summer wine. Those memories and a colder wind that then blows sure will send shivers down my spine. And I'll be looking back to June and July, when I came here the first time. And I am sure that with this tune I keep the memory of a wonderful time. Again I'll smell the fragrance of the meadows, the cherry trees, the lake, the summer wine. Those memories and a colder wind that then blows sure will send shivers down my spine. Again I smell the fragrance of the meadows, the cherry trees, the lake, the summer wine. Those memories and a colder wind that then blows sure will send shivers